Hi folks, this is Andrew Briggs from internetmarketingtooltips.com with another tooltip for you. Today I would like to look at a website that I use to do domain name research. The name of the site is DomainsBot. If you just search in Google, it should be the #1 search result. So let's just go into the website itself. When you first get there, you're presented with a search box where you would just put in your keyword that you've maybe done some research on. You've come up with a keyword and you're now interested to see if there are any available domain names related to that keyword. So in this example I will use a keyword related to fishing. So we've maybe done some keyword research and we've come up with fishing made easy. So you type in fishing made easy into the search box and instantly DomainsBot brings up a set of results. You'll see at the top of the results you can choose whether you want to see available domains and or premium domains, and you can just choose the checkbox appropriately for your own results. You'll also see that on the left hand side, this is really where DomainsBot comes into its own. It has a number of options to allow you to modify your search, and based on that criteria DomainsBot will present you with a new set of results to match that criteria. So for instance, I can search for .coms, I can also include .nets and maybe .orgs. Under here we can also search using synonyms, which again is a great feature, one of the best features I think under the DomainsBot tool. So for fishing, for instance, you maybe want to expand that to some niche keywords, so fly fishing for instance, separated with a comma, also sea fishing, and maybe course fishing. Where am I? Course fishing. And you can also include hyphenated keywords as well. So for instance, fly hyphen fishing, course hyphen fishing, and sea hyphen fishing. So we have a number of synonyms there to use as we select them. These things are updated in the search results. It's also suggested a number of synonyms for made which are not suitable, so we'll just get rid of them hitting the X. And for the synonyms for easy, we'll replace some of them with simpler and easier. So as you keep changing your criteria, DomainsBot continually updates its list of results. Another good part is you can also add suffixes or prefixes. So if you hit the edit button, you can either add a lot of prefixes yourself, or you can choose from a number of predefined lists from the drop down box. The reason this is a great feature is because you maybe haven't thought of some of the words or options, and by using this feature you can then be presented with domains that you've maybe not even thought of trying, and yet DomainsBot will present them if they're available to you. So you can do that for prefixes or suffixes. I'll not actually include any in the search results. You can search for premium domains if you really want to. It's not something I'm interested in doing, so we'll just uncheck that again. And you can order by different things, relevance, or maybe you want a domain to be smaller or shorter, more memorable. So you would just choose number of words maybe, and that will just order it in the right order for you. You can also exclude dashes if you wish, and also exclude numbers, which I'll do. So once you've updated all your selection criteria, you can start running through the options that DomainsBot's presented to you. So for instance, fishingmadeeasy.com is available, but only to purchase through Sedo. FishingMadeEasy.net is registered and not available, but FishingMadeEasy.org is available, so you could use that. There's also the hyphenated version of FishingMadeEasy.com that is available. Similarly, so is the .org and .net. So as you can see, it presents you with a number of options, and you can just really go through and choose the domains that you're interested in, and you head off to your own registrar and get these domains registered for yourself. So the only one thing that I would point out is if you are doing searches for both hyphenated and non-hyphenated synonyms, you also have to watch out for hybrid domains that pop up. So for instance, fly fishing, the hyphenated synonym appears also with the non-hyphenated Made Easy. So you just have to be careful, just watch out for the results and make sure that you're registering the domain that you really want, and maybe not a hybrid one. Okay, hope you find that useful. It's a great tool. I love using it. This is the first stop for me when I'm looking for a new domain once I've done some keyword research. Okay, speak soon. Bye for now.